Shibam, you did not set home, bro. Come back. Everybody good? We're gonna go to this bridge. Everybody go to this bridge. Go to this bridge. Come back. Come back. Go to this bridge. Go through this bridge.
Dream, don't donut there, man. Oh, nice cancel,
Look,
bro.
look on, look on this.
This-
tank. Heal. Look shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the tank inside. On me, inside. Plants inside. Plants inside. Go north. Don't be shallow. Okay, they're gonna hit shallow. Didn't hold them on the shock.
I got it.
Go north.
I'm north.
Keep fighting north.
North, guys.
Stop going northeast.
I'm ready.
Don't dismount it.
They're going to look. They're looking.
Defend out.
Kite now.
Then engage.
Everybody look for me. Kite a bit now. These tanks are inside us. We're gonna hit this really. Oh my god, that is 7-3 guy. Okay, kite now. Look on this guy. He's clerical as well. Kite a bit more. Hug southwest side. Okay, look on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the ground. Oh my god, I miss. Just leave it. He jumped in, bro.
Defend, get ready.
Keep going southwest.
Ready.
Demon. They engage. Yo, we have to bet that clarity. Demon for this infinity. Okay, come back. Make a comeback. You hold this choke. Care shallow. Come back. Swift Panther. Come back. We're gonna keep kiting around this line in circle. Okay, we're gonna keep.
Come south, guys. South.
Look for discarving. Walk up with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit discarving on me. Okay, kite now. Kite again. Demon and kite.
No faces.
Kite south. Cleanse. Kite south now.
They still have engage.
I know. Go south. Keep going south. We'll be fine.
Defend out.
Depth. That was my jury. Keep going south. Come southeast now. Come southeast. We need to kill some shit, boys. Come southeast.
Mega,
Hill
W
cook.
Mega.
Everybody hill cook.
Cookie.
Go east now. I told you we're gonna kite to these bridges, okay? Go east now.
Borak is AFK.
East now.
No,
Let him die.
Borak's
East now. If he's AFK, just let him die. We cannot do shit.
4 behind.
They might look on me.
They might look shallow,
Look
guys.
for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit. Just leave it. I was trying to go for the limb breaker. He blinked.
Behind.
They got bombed by someone.
Listen. Come, guys. Z-Tanks, where are you guys? Holy fuck, man. Come back. They're engaging shallow.
Look,
Okay, good. Come back. Analyst come back. Everybody come back. We need a good engage. We need to put some pressure on them.
stop.
Endless. Try to use your
Wait,
ease
wait,
before
wait.
engaging. Like only use it for that.
Try to catch real man fuckers. Oh my god, man, they all running clerical and shit, bro. Don't be inside them. Regroup on me.
They have a 7-3 malicious crew Infinity Blade.
Yeah, that's with them. He is with them. Yeah, we have to demon for that infinity. He will die from demons. But we will have no defenses for the front line. So you guys try to survive with the try to survive with guard runes and all that shit. So we need to kill that infinity. We have to bait his cleric and we have to kill him.
They're coming.
Okay, go through and go through division this one. Hold there. I'm gonna quick engage, okay? Look on this tank. That tank literally jumps inside us, bro. These two tanks literally jumps inside us.
This is a bit.
Wait a bit. On this limb breaker, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the choke. And Defna and kite. Def now and kite. Good, good, good. Keep holding them. Keep holding the choke. Keep holding the choke.
I got.
Listen, go southeast, southeast. This time go southeast. This
Well,
time we go
lighter, no?
southeast. This time we go southeast. This time we go southeast. We will kite southeast this time. Who's OC breaking? Is that our guy? Who's OC is breaking?
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
It better not be our DPS, bro.
Gone.
Pika, bro.
Pika's weapon is gone.
You don't have Spirit Hunter, man.
Go back, Pika. Get your weapon. Go back.
Pika, you monkey,
I
man.
really don't know what to say, man.
What Pika?
Roar, you don't have life quest.
They're ready
You
now,
don't
they
have
say.
life quest and Spirit.
We don't have roar
We
either.
resume. Hmm.
Roar is your he just book is offhand.
What are you guys doing, bro?
He's saying we resume our. Do we continue?
They're going to
Yeah,
engage.
just keep fighting. Just keep fighting. Fuck it.
No.
Pika, can you go back and roar? What are you guys doing? Roar, you OC again. You don't need offhand. It's OC again, roar.
Oh my god.
Care. Look on this
Looking,
bridge.
looking.
Look on this bridge. Look on this bridge. Care. Roar, just OC again. Pika, go get your weapon quickly and come back. We can hold for now.
Say R before.
Going.
There.
Forgot I had my mic.
I don't know, man. Like, you guys are literally making us look like clowns. Trade me, roar. Trade me, roar. Roar, take from the guild. Okay, just take from the guild. Take from the guild, roar. You will have perms. Take from the guild. Care shallow.
Then engage on someone.
I know. Look shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit shallow on this tank. You have to be a bit more quick, boys. Bit more
They're looking.
Wait.
I know. Just kite. Bedrock and kite.
Where do you kite?
Demon for this guy. Go southeast. You know,
Southeast.
I already said go southeast. There's a bridge on the south. Bridge on the southeast. Okay, just keep going there.
This is a fake.
Here,
That's a fake.
just keep going southeast. Keep going
Spread more.
southeast. Come south. Look where the crown is.
Defend out.
They're looking.
They look.
Okay, go south now. Go south. Yo, Lina, where is Lina? Heal Lina.
Spread northwest.
Heal Lina. My God, Lina, how are you so
Guys,
behind?
spread-
You look on the
spread more,
screen,
spread
five,
more,
four,
spread more.
3, 2, hit the ground.
Third party shadow.
Real man, no fast.
Okay.
Bravo.
Come back.
Defend out.
Deb, you walk. We're gonna kill the limb breaker.
Oh, you're gonna get kidnapped, bro.
Cooldowns.
You're
Wait.
gonna get kidnapped.
Demon. Okay, come back. He cancel.
Reverse
Come
Roman.
back. Don't say stop. If they wanna stop, it's on them. We are good, right? So come back.
Yo,
They're looking at us.
spread more,
Come back
spread more.
south. Kite with me. Go back south, bro. Look on this guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this guy on me. Finish him. Okay, now go back. Just go back. Didn't keep watching them, okay? They're coming. Keep watching them, Didn't.
He is looking. East.
I know. They're coming.
Let's
Keep
back, let's
watching them. Come back. Keep going back. Keep kiting back. Kite back. At least use the red one when we're engaging, bro. We're lacking DPS.
Shadow, use demons, Shadow.
Okay. Walk.
Okay.
Everything. Go.
I know. I'm going. Everybody walk. Look,
I'm
see,
offensive,
5,
I'm
4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown. They defended with heal. You know. Go back now. We have to kill their tanks. Go back now. Demon and kite. We good. Didn't bong them. Bong their DPS away. Bong their DPS away. Be ready to resume the choke. Okay. Be ready to resume.
Judy on choke.
Tell me your CDs. Perma, your CDs. Look for me on this limb breaker. 5 seconds, you're gonna hit this limb breaker. Care shallow. Walk. Look for me. 5. Look for me. 4. Look for me. 3. Wait. In 2. We'll hit the crown. Just kill the guy inside. I fucking giga, bro. Kite now. Southeast. That guy won't do shit. Kite southeast. We go. Keep south now. Keep going south.
He's looking.
Care shallow. They're coming. Care shallow. Keep going south.
Spread more.
Call inside of us, careful.
Keep going south. Keep going south. I know. Keep going south. They will try to brawl you. Keep going south.
South.
Detents, I'm waiting my detents to come back. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Okay, look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown. Hit the crown. Hit the crown. Fucking massive.
They're gonna headbutt, they're gonna headbutt, careful.
Spread more. Spread more.
Ah, Infinity inside,
Guys, spread more. Spread more.
Okay, we good.
He's about to die. He's about to die.
Everybody, Q's and W's on this infinity. Q's and W's on this infinity. Q's and W's on
Come
it. Okay, kite. Kite. Just kite south. Kite. Dep.
Defend out.
Rezi. Nobody die. Just heal. They are low from demons. Walk north now. Didn't hold them. Everybody 5 on the ground. 4 on the ground. 3. 2 and hit the crown. Fucking massive.
Nice.
Kite now. Don't chase.
Kite south.
Don't chase,
guys, come back.
Don't chase. Come back.
Hello, Borax, come back.
How many we killed there, bro?
Zone check.
We only killed one. Flats. We are fighting in Widemore flats. We only killed one healer.
Spread northwest.
We stay south. Okay, stay south. We're gonna kite south and go to this fucking choke. I'm gonna fake now. Perma, you hold. Okay, Perma hold. We're gonna engage. Do Perma engage. That's fake. Good cleanse from them. Go back to your guys. Don't clump them so hard.
He lost Remo to spread.
Okay, Pika also here. Pika, it's a food OC. Okay, Pika. K shallow. Everybody, Perma engage on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown. Kill this guy inside. Just drop your damage and kite now. He's probably low. Just kite now. Kite. Demon be ready. Don't waste demon yet. Kidnap this guy. Kidnap this thing.
Spread more.
Demon, kidnap this thing. We're gonna kill this thing.
Cash shallow.
On this thing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown. Inside. And kite now.
Spread southwest.
They are low. Listen, be ready to demons. Okay, the DPS is in position. Keep kiting southeast. Demon. Heal and walk inside them. We're gonna do fat engage in 10 seconds. Walk inside them. Look for me. I'm gonna hit their perma. Everybody DPS around their perma. Look for me. 5. Look for me. 4. In 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown. Okay, he giga. It's okay, giga. Listen. Go south again. Go west. Demon and west. Ready. My God, bro, we lost fucking 2 people. Everybody come west. Healers, boys. You're fucking
West. Come west.
Go west. Or come back fast, okay? Care. This bomb coming. Blazing coming. Keep going north now. Keep going north now.
They engage.
Keep going north. We need to push north and stabilize. Push north.
Take the carpet.
Good occult. Come north. Everybody come north. North. And go northwest. Good. Hold them.
Roman northwest.
How many people alive in second party?
We all are.
How many people?
We all are like 4.
Okay. Only lost 2 people.
Cash shallow.
K shallow. On this relim, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this relim on me.
They're gonna headbutt.
Good. Just kite. Go northeast.
Many.
Choice position. Come back, choke.
My Judy on choke.
Come back to choke and demons be ready. Demon. And walk inside them. Look for me. 5. I need life curse, bro. Broke them.
Your life is
4,
dead.
3, 2, 1. Hit me. Kill this healer. He clerical, bro. Everybody go northeast now. Didn't hold them. Everybody push northeast.
Defend out.
We kill one guy with demon. Good job. Good shit.
Watch out,
Hold.
northwest.
Walk. Wait. Just wait.
Who remain on your...
Wait a bit.
Roman northwest.
Look for me. Keep walking with me. Walk northeast. Didn't care.
Watch southwest.
Didn't care. We kiting. Didn't care. Okay, didn't care. Keep kiting. Look on this relim breaker. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Okay, now keep kiting again. Defensive. Defensive and kite. Didn't hold them again, please.
Defend engage.
Good shit, good shit, good shit, good shit. Heal it, heal it. Don't let my DPS die. Don't let my DPS die. Heal it. Walk now, walk now.
Pikachu's back, by the way.
I thought Perma Assassin Hood.
Should we engage on the...
Pika died? No, Pika's alive.
No, Pikachu.
There's a guy inside of us, northwest.
Okay. Come back to the, come back
Infinity-
here, come back east, 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 come back east. Come back east, come back east, come back east, come back east. Look for me on this west guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit me. Somebody bonked them away, bro. Okay, it's
Southeast,
cleric, it's okay,
southeast.
it's okay. Keep going southeast, Good
Defend,
job,
get
good
ready.
job.
Defend, get ready.
That's fake. Keep kiting, demons be ready,
Defend,
Resby be ready.
I put my Judy.
Keep going. I drop Judy. They're looking now. Dev. Heal everybody. Look for me. 5 seconds. Keep kiting. Heal Pika. Look for me. 5 seconds. Look, on this. Oh my god, bro. This fucking solo guy. On this Limb Breaker. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown. Inside. Nice. We kill one Limb Breaker. Listen, we kill one Limb Breaker. Keep kiting now. D-Tank, hold this choke. Hold this choke. Heal my friend. Heal my friend.
Following
Yeah,
Perma.
come
Take position north. Everybody take position north. Everybody go north.
North, guys, north.
Ignore this guy. Everybody walk with me.
looking.
Look for me.
Oh,
Shallow, walk with me. Look for me. 5,
Look shallow.
4,
They hit me.
3, I know. In 2, wait. I got fucking...
All east.
Wait, just leave it. It's fucking third party, bro. Everybody go north. Go north. Kite north. That's third party. Kite north.
Or southeast.
You guys have CDF.
Colonia
Is
east.
Perma-
Yeah,
is
Colo's coming.
Perma-
Fake.
Is Perma up or not? Multi. Keep kiting. NW, keep kiting. NW. Def now. Good defense. Keep kiting. Look at the guy inside. Wait.
Yo, heal
Wait,
cook me.
Wait.
Heal.
Hold on, huh?
Heals. Hello.
Okay.
You look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the guy on the ground.
He.
Cleric, bro. Hard countering, bro.
He's looking.
They miss. Just keep kiting. Keep kiting. Keep kiting.
Engage front.
Cleanse. Walk now. Get your series.
Heal.
Is multi alive or multi dead? Multi alive. Okay. Walk east.
They're all low.
I know. Keep holding them. Just keep walk east. Look for me on this Limb Breaker. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown. Kill it, this shit.
Nice.
Good shit. And kite back.
I put my Judy.
Run inside
That's
them.
my Judy.
We're gonna soak. Demons
Defend, get ready.
Demons,
Defend now.
They engage. Keep walking inside them. Walk inside them. Look for me. Look for the crown.
Shadows north.
Follow the crown.
I'm not.
They're mounting up. Follow the crown.
GG.
Oh, stop.
Oh, nice.
They said GG.
Stop.
This was a good fight.
Oh my fucking god, bro.
Real men hitting them. He said let's not fight here.